In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase Steam download speed. If your downloads feel slower than they should, there's a good chance Steam is limiting itself. We'll quickly check one setting and make sure Steam can use your full connection without an unnecessary cap. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer. At the top left, open the Steam menu and choose Settings. On some systems, it might be labeled Preferences, but it's the same place. This is where Steam keeps all of its core options that affect how it behaves on your network. Inside Settings, look for the section called Downloads. Go ahead and open that. The Downloads panel is your hub for anything related to how Steam fetches game files, and it includes controls that can unintentionally slow you down if they're set too conservatively. Now, find the option labeled Limit Bandwidth or Limit Bandwidth to. Your goal is simple. Make sure it's turned off. If there's a checkbox, it should be unchecked. If you see a drop-down or a number field, set it to no limit. With that disabled, Steam won't hold itself back, and it will try to use as much of your available internet speed as it can. This one change often makes a noticeable difference, especially if that limit was enabled at some point to save data or to prevent lag during online play. Once the limit is off, look toward the top of the Downloads page where you can see your current download rate and a small graph. Give it a moment to update. Steam will ramp up as it connects to content servers and negotiates the best speed it can get. A quick note on expectations. The maximum speed you'll see in Steam depends on your internet plan and the server you're downloading from. Steam displays speeds in megabytes per second, not megabits. For example, a 100 megabit connection usually tops out around 12 megabytes per second in Steam, which is normal. It's also common for speeds to fluctuate slightly while a download is in progress as files are checked and written to disk. If you ever need to conserve bandwidth in the future, you can come back here and re-enable the limit temporarily. But for the fastest downloads, keeping it off is the right call. That's it. Open Steam, head to Settings, go to Downloads, and make sure Limit Bandwidth is off. With that done, your downloads should run as fast as your connection and Steam servers allow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra speed.